So how do you tell which direction the filter goes?
So there's an arrow that shows airflow right here, and you point that towards the furnace.
Right here. Airflow goes towards the furnace.
Yes.
Okay.
Shut it off. You can see the difference in cleanliness also.
Oh my goodness, yes. So how often do you recommend they change it?
I recommend changing every 3 to 4 months.
3 to 4 months, okay. Okay, and so now you're going to adjust the dampers?
Yes.
So how do people find their dampers?
So it should be C's like wing nuts.
Yeah.
That's where you can adjust them. There should be a lever on the other side.
Okay.
So
There's a lever?
yes, this right here.
Okay. I don't know if they can see that, but sure.
Right now it's closed, so we're gonna just upstairs and open it up for your basement.
So this is something a homeowner could do themselves, but it's not a fun, easy thing to do sometimes.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes you adjust to how much airflow you want. It depends on what the comfort is. You can partially open or all the way closed, or
Right.
however you feel.
How many dampers do people usually have?
Usually, it depends on the size of the home, right? This one just has 2.
2. Okay.
Mm-hmm. They'll always be on the supply runs. And when I get here, I always inspect your flue pipe, which is basically your chimney for your furnace, pushes out all those bad gases out of your home, and make sure it's not cracked or anything and up to code. It's looking pretty good.